Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as I have mentioned that in many of my videos, that get yourself vaccinated, get yourself registered and get yourself vaccinated. I am repeating it so that it goes to your head, and without delay you supposed to be vaccinating yourself, because this is going to be very beneficial for you, your family members and all your well-wishers. And not only that, do not stop at only just getting yourself vaccinated. Do help others who are not be that much tech savvy, those people who are not knowing about how to get themselves registered and get themselves done, do the vaccination, and then after you complete, so that there will be a satisfaction among your mind that you have helped somebody. So not apart from that, you know, the OPSC has not declared the date, so I have been repeating it. Stop speculating, start appearing test series. This is the time to focus on your optional papers. Yes, optional papers, because had OPSC declared the date, then you would have focused on prelims. But since the OPSC has not declared the date, you supposed to be, till the time OPSC declares, apart from your prelim studies, you supposed to be taking out time. You supposed to be taking out time for preparation for your optional papers. Optional papers are very important. They are having around 1200 marks. So 1200 marks is a huge, I could say that huge weightage in OPSC examination. So if you will score well in the optional papers, it is going to be, your rank will be higher. Even if you didn't perform up to the mark in the interview, but still there is chances that you will get a slot in this 392 vacancy. So without delay, focus. Whatever optionals, do Google it, do YouTube it. There must be some person who must be guiding about your optional. What are the books required, what are the study materials required for your optional. Try to find it out, try to make notes, and it is going to be helpful. And try to find it out how you can write better answers for your optional, because finally at the end of the day it is only the writing which matters. It is only the writing, the final answers that you will give in the subjective format, and that is going to be making you a OS officer or a OPS officer or some other revenue officer. So you supposed to be writing good quality answers in order to go to the topper, in order to be in the toppers list of OPSC. And this time the 392 vacancies, significant number of vacancies. OPSC doesn't give this kind of a vacancies too often. So it's a golden opportunity. Do not miss this opportunity. I humbly request all my YouTube subscribers, my crash course subscribers, as well as our test series subscribers, that focus on optionals. It is going to be helpful, and try to find out all the materials required for optionals. This is what I personally believe. This is the time period when you can focus on optional. And for my new YouTube subscribers, we have started a dedicated crash course for prelim. If you are still interested, you can join our crash course by paying 2 months subscription fee, that is 798 rupees. And if you don't want to join crash course, join our test series. It will cost you 599 rupees. And these are really high quality tests. All are full length tests, and we are providing 40 GS paper 1 set at 599 rupees. If you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. This particular discussion, that is master key set number 13. We will be discussing master key set number 13. Very important questions. With which company did Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and in February 2021 sign an MOU as a part of PM Swanidhi scheme? PM Swanidhi scheme, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Remember it. Is it A, Amazon? Is it B, Microsoft? Is it C, Google? Is it D, Zomato? The answer is D, Zomato. Zomato is the company with which Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has signed an MOU as a part of PM Swanidhi scheme. Remember PM Swanidhi scheme, Zomato company. Then the central government January 2021 approved the first set of 5 pharma projects under PLI scheme. What does L stand for in PLI scheme? This the central government approved in January 2021. They approved a 5 pharma project for PLI scheme. What is L stands for in the PLI? Is it A, livelihood? Is it B, limited? Is it C, linked? Is it D, labor? Try to answer this question. PLI scheme. PLI is what? Production linked incentive. 5 pharma companies are given production linked incentive for this particular thing. So the answer is C. C, production linked. Which company acts as the knowledge partner to the government of Madhya Pradesh implementing the new education policy? This multinational company has been partnered with Madhya Pradesh government for implementing new education policy. Is it A, Google? Is it B, Microsoft? Is it C, Wipro? Is it D, Infosys? The answer is C, Wipro. Wipro is the company with which Madhya Pradesh government has partnered in order to implement the new education policy. Wipro with Madhya Pradesh government for new education policy. Remember it. Then coming to the next question, what is the name of the National Migration Support Portal? National Migration Support Portal that was launched by Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda in January 2021. Is it A, Shram Shakti? Is it B, Asa? Is it C, Bhavishya? Is it D, E-Sampada? The answer is A, Shram Shakti. Shram Shakti is the portal which is being launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda for National Migration Support Portal. This is a migration support portal. Shram Shakti, remember it. Then coming to the next question, Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently launched which scheme providing full benefit for AB PMJ to the personnel and dependents of armed wing? Is it A, Ayushman CAPF? Is it B, Ayushman NSG? Is it C, Jan Arogya ITBP? Is it D, Ayushman RPF? Try to answer this question. The answer is Ayushman CAPF. The Home Minister Amit Shah recently started Ayushman CAPF for providing full benefit of AB PMJ to the personnel and dependents of armed wing. Then coming to the next question, which is the name of India's vaccination drive aimed at delivering Covishield vaccines to foreign countries as a gift? Means the government of India has started this Covishield vaccine to be delivered to our friendly nations. This is a particular on a mission. What is the mission called? Is it A, COVID Suraksha? Is it B. Vasin Maitri? Is it C. Mission Sagar? Is it D. Vasin Suraksha? The answer is Vasin Maitri. Vasin Maitri is the drive in which the government of India has sent free of cost vaccine to our friendly nations, to even foreign countries. Many friendly, even government of India has given to Pakistan also. Then coming to the next question, which state government in January 2021 launched Pankh Abhiyan under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao? Pankh Abhiyan. Is it A. Uttar Pradesh? Is it B. Jharkhand? Is it C. Madhya Pradesh? Is it D. Gujarat? The answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the state which has started Pankh Abhiyan in Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. In Beti Bachao Beti Padhao also they have started a sub scheme, that is Pankh Abhiyan. This. Then coming to the next question, Marcelo Rebelo de Souza was recently re-elected as president of which country for the second consecutive term? Is it A. Belgium? Is it B. Poland? Is it C. Spain? Is it D. Portugal? Marcelo Rebelo de Souza. The answer is Portugal. Marcelo Rebelo de Souza became the re-elected as president of Portugal. Remember it. Which state of India recently hosted the first ever edition of Adi Mahotsav? Adi Mahotsav. Is it A. Uttar Pradesh? Is it B. Madhya Pradesh? Is it C. Maharashtra? Is it D. Assam? The answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the state where Adi Mahotsav took place. So, coming to the next question, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs recently mandated the HSN code while issuing GST invoice. HSN code while issuing invoice. How many digits does HSN code contain? Is it A. 5 digit? Is it B. 8 digit? Is it C. 10 digits? Is it D. 16 digits? HSN code. The answer is B. 8 digits. There are 8 digits in HSN code, means in GST invoice. So, coming to the next question, a combination of 3 copper instruments soldered together by their lobed ends has been found in. It is a particular thing which is found in ancient history. A combination of 3 copper instruments soldered together by their lobed ends has been found at. Is it A. Harappa? Is it B. Chanudaro? Is it C. Mohenjo-daro? Is it D. Lothal? The answer is A. Harappa. In Harappa, this particular thing is found. Then, coming to the last question of today's discussion, in the bamboo basketry, what is the use of water? In the bamboo basketry, what is the use of water? To harden the splits, to soften the splits, to C, to remove the color, or to D, to add weight? The answer is B, to soften the split. In the bamboo basketry, to soften the split, water is used for to soften the split. So with this, we completed today's discussion of Master Key set number 13. Many of the YouTube subscribers have already taken admission in our test series. Without delay, join our test series. It is going to be very beneficial. as we are providing this CSAT classes also, if you will combine CSAT classes with our test series, then it will be a unbreakable impact for you in the prelim examination. So join our test series, it is going to be helpful. Say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Happy learning.